Hi guys, welcome back to the channel, and today we are doing another episode of the Audi TT race car build. And as you can see, change of scenery, we've got it into our prep shop, our body shop, so we're going to be painting the inside of the car. So today, if you watched the last video, you'll know that we trial fitted the cage, got that all dummy fitted, and the dashboard. We've had all that back out. All the wiring and everything's been taken out of the inside of the car, and now we're going to start prepping it and get it painted hopefully tomorrow. So quick turnaround, in and out, then back to the other workshop and we can start building it up. My first job is we've realised the car's too big to go in the booth with the doors open to paint the inside, so we've got to take the doors off now, which is proving a bit difficult. That connector is inside that plug, yeah, look, like that. Yeah. So then that bit just stays in. Yeah, that stays in. That's what we was trying to get out though. That was easy. Does that door come off now then? Does that just lift off? Right. Right, are you ready? Hang on. Right. I thought they were alley, no? That's not that heavy. With 500s, and we'll just buzz over everything we can, all the flat surfaces, and then we'll just finish it with scotch. Most time and effort and money put into a race car, yeah, goes to Jason. Back of the pack.
Bring in the rear. Body first.
Yeah, on the roof.
You need to get publicity.
Huh?
Publicity if you go on your roof.
Yeah.
Make sure you've got sponsors underneath the car. You got my good side.
So guys, we're pretty much ready for paint now. As you can see, we've masked the whole car up. Everything that we don't want to be white is sheeted up properly. So all the outside obviously is staying black. All of the things that we couldn't take out of the interior, like the dash, the steering wheel, the gear, lever, all the little bits, all the little holes where we're going to bolt the cage in, we've masked those up. And thanks. yeah, so, and we're just now cleaning it all out, so we need to decontaminate everything, de-silicone it, just to make sure we don't get any reactions. So yesterday the boys finished everything off and completely scotched off all the inside to take off all the shine, just to give it a key. We didn't need to do anything more than that really. It was just keep making sure everything was keyed up nicely, like I say, properly clean. And then we're going to start paint. So it's an exciting bit now. We're going to see what it looks like in white. We're going to mix up the paint and crack on. So let's do it. Got mud all over me from being out on my bike. I've got to go and get my hair cut at 3 o'clock, so I'm going to be covered in. I was going to try and go past my house, at least I'll just turn up in this suit. So we're all masked up, clean, we've got our suits on, paint's mixed up, so we're about ready to start now. So we're going to, first bit of paint on the interior, so we will hopefully show you how it's done. I might even have a go myself. It's been a long time since I've held a spray gun, but I'm looking forward to having a go on this, so what's the worst that can happen? I'm out of breath. Or maybe I was holding my breath because I was concentrating so much. I haven't done this for about 10 years. We'll have another go in there. Pass it back to the professional. In the body shop, it's now time to get it back to the other workshop and start filling up. Just got to put the doors back on and the tailgate to get it in the trailer. But I'm really happy with it. It's all nice and fresh, white. Cage, we've done it in the same colour obviously to match the cage, so we have the rail code for that. Hopefully that matches, and yeah, just like a white race car. It looks fresh inside, and by the time we've wrapped the outside in our team colours, it should look good.